These bite-sized motivational reels have been blowing up everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. And if you can crack this style right now, your account can explode overnight. Whether you run a theme page, a creator channel, or a small business, this format is still early enough to ride the wave and scale followers and engagement fast. Trust me, when you hit 100K, you'll remember this moment. I saw a reel the other day that absolutely annihilated the algorithm. Over 1.5 million likes. Yeah, 1.5 million. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create the same kind of content without overcomplicating things. From sourcing the clip to final polish. And I'll show how smart tools can make this whole workflow way easier. No gatekeeping, no fluff. First off, don't try to reinvent the wheel. The fastest path is to find outliers, posts that clearly outperformed everything else, and analyze why. We'll use one of those viral reels as our reference. Beautiful cinematic shots, smooth text animations, a unique black frame, and a powerful speech that drives the whole piece. The speech is the hook. The visuals support it and boost shareability. People save this stuff because it's motivating and emotionally resonant. Step 1. Find your source clip. This is easier than you think. 3 quick ways. 1. Look for credits in the caption. Sometimes creators credit the clip source. 2. If there's nothing there, check comments. People often ask where the voice or clip came from. 3. If it's a spoken line, copy a short sentence and Google it. Often you'll find the original speech or the movie TVC. Once you've got the source, load it into your editor. If you plan to do everything manually, you can use standard editing tools, but honestly, here's where automation shines. Drop your long footage into a smart editor and let its auto-editing engine identify the most engaging moments. It pulls viral-worthy clips automatically, so you're not guessing where the emotional peaks live. That saves hours. But if you want a manual-first approach, strip out any intro or quiet build-up and cut to the emotional climax. Viral reels rarely meander. They jump straight into the line that hooks people. After that, extract the speech audio and remove silences. This small pruning makes the narrative flow and keeps retention high. Step 2. B-roll and visual library. A ton of creators use mood boards for cinematic clips and motion graphics, animations, nature shots, cityscapes. Download 6 to 10 clips that match the emotional tone of your audio. If you use an intelligent editing tool, it can suggest B-roll and automatically pair clips with the speech rhythm. Again, a massive time saver. If you prefer to build everything yourself, drag those clips into your timeline and start experimenting with placement. Step 3. The frame and mask. One signature look you'll notice is a black border or curved frame that gives the reel a distinct aesthetic. That's done using a black background with a rectangle mask inverted so your main clip sits inside a curved edge frame. Make sure your subject is centered in that mask throughout. Pro tip: keep the reference video on your timeline as you edit. You'll be able to see where they made cuts, how they timed their text, and where they dropped B-roll. Emulate rhythm and pacing, but don't copy 1-1. Put your own twist on it. Step 4. Captions and text style. Auto captions are a huge time saver if you've got access. But whichever way you do it, treat captions like animation cues. Don't dump a paragraph on screen. Break lines to sync with the speech. A layered approach where words pop up in rhythm keeps viewers engaged. In the viral example, they used a specific font and spacing so each word felt intentional. Recreate that cinematic timing. Here's another subtle detail people overlook: syncing text to micro-visual moments. There was a scene in the reference where the word mirror is reflected in someone's eye. Tiny, high-effort details like that make your content feel premium. You can use background removal to isolate objects and overlay the text, or in more advanced editors, mask the subject and composite the word. The right software can speed up this process by suggesting overlays and letting you quickly test different placements without manually masking every frame. Step 5. Sound design. Viral reels don't just use the raw speech. They layer subtle atmosphere, wave sounds for ocean clips, saw soft nature ambiences for butterfly scenes, or distant city hum for urban B-roll. These micro SFX elevate the emotional resonance. Reduce background noise on the main audio track, then layer in tiny environmental clips so viewers feel immersed. You can add background audio tracks and suggest matching ambiences based on scene content, handy when you want that cinematic depth without hunting every sound effect down. Step 6. Color grading and final polish. Some makers go black and white, others go hyper-vivid. Your color profile should match your brand identity and the mood of the speech. To get a crisp text overlay effect, create a compound clip of the text layer and change blend mode to soft light that gives a subtle texture. If you use professional suites, you can go nuts with extras. If not, basic editors cover most needs. Batch applying color presets across multiple clips is a lifesaver, so if you're producing dozens of reels, you get a consistent look without manual tweaking. Step 7. Keep it unique. One big mistake I see is creators piling on every flashy effect, too many fonts, neon text, 5 different styles in one clip. That looks spammy and forgettable. The winning pages find one visual hook and repeat it, a consistent palette, a signature text color, or a recurring motif like anime overlays or a specific insert. That repetition builds brand recall. For instance, if your account always uses specific text colors combined with subtle, consistent frames, people will start to recognize you just by scroll alone. Competitor comparison. Real talk. Other tools can help, but finding the one that hits the sweet spot, where it helps you find viral moments, automates batching, and includes a content calendar, is key. The goal is finding a platform that actually finds the viral moments for you. In short, if you want speed, smart editing, and scale, you need tools that reduce the friction that usually kills momentum. Step 8. Capturing and iterating. When you put the clip together, post a few variations. Change the hook line timing, swap in a different background track, or tweak the mask. Use the reference video to guide your first cut, then A/B test a second version. Using tools that let you cue different variations and track performance helps you scale what's working without re-editing each time. Final packaging, CTA and community. After you finish the reel, small distribution moves matter. Add clean captions, hashtags, and a short pinned comment that encourages saves and shares. If you want hooks and presets, direct message me and I'll share a folder of tested hooks that work with this format. Also, joining creator communities is huge. The real wins come from feedback and iteration. Wrap up. This style is highly replicable. The steps are simple. Find a powerful speech, trim to the emotional peak, remove silence, layer cinematic B-roll, add subtle sound design, keep a consistent visual hook, and iterate. Doing it manually works, but if you want to scale, like dozens of clips per week, smarter tools change the game. Remember, early adopters win. If you start doing this well now, you won't be fighting to get noticed later. You'll already be the account people remember. Stick to a signature style, focus on retention-first edits, and let smarter tools handle the heavy lifting so you can create and test faster. If you want resources, check the description for links to a free tutorial I put together, a folder of hooks, and the community invite. Try this workflow on a long-form piece you already have. Let it pull out the viral moments, schedule a week's worth of posts, and then watch what performs. Some of you are going to flip your growth curve just by applying these exact steps. Let's make it happen.